Alright, what up guys? We're going to play Lady Tut for the Commodore 64. And the reason for that is I always like to play the game I have a connection with first, and I've heard that Lady Tut is some sort of derivative of Ladybug. So I'm going to play Lady Tut first, and then I'm going to check out Ladybug. I don't know if it'll be in the same video, because I think this game's pretty long, so it might be two different videos. Let's see. Say joystick. Alright, looks like I got it. It's going to turn down the volume on my speakers, but I think I will real quick. So, hold on. Swear my Lady Tut logo off to the left just got bigger, but I'm just going to pretend that did not happen. Okay. Shouldn't be too loud. Ooh, jeez. Shouldn't be too loud. Okay. So, you might see why I was thinking about this while playing Mousetrap. It's basically, we're in a maze and we're moving blocks, right? So I'm this red-shirted person in apparently blue jeans. Oops. And I am looking for all the gems, and then I get the key to escape. Suppose I don't know if you have to get all the gems or not, but you really do want to get the gems, because I believe after a certain number of gems you get the gun. Ooh, I'm safe in there. I didn't know that. Okay. Alright. Yeah, it's getting kind of obnoxious. Oop. There. Yeah, so similar to the Atari Mousetrap, you can kind of get the monsters all blocked in a certain area where you're mostly safe. Not sure about the AI and what it's capable of exactly. Oop. One thing I do know is that once you get the gun, the game changes. So we'll see how long it takes me to get the gun. Alright. So in this one you see there's two doors. We will get the key and open one of the doors. And then and then the other key should appear, I believe. Come on. Go to the left. So interestingly, I always read those things as spiders, but I actually have no idea what they really are. They only have 4 visible legs, and then they have pinchers. So I could take them as spiders, but I don't know if that would be accurate. Alright, so then I just have that key, which just has that one skull down there. Oh! Ooh. Yeah, I gotta be careful. The enemies can come through the walls if you don't do it right. Alright, and then if you think this is too easy, it is going to get a little bit harder, although the gun will be an equalizer, so I'm trying to remember. I think this is the level we get the gun. Yeah, so I always read those as like little lizards with wings, but I don't even know if that's accurate or not. There's a lot of them down there. Alright. Well, whenever I get the gun, I apparently have 85 bullets. That's a lot. Maybe they don't expect you to get all the rings. Oh, there's the gun. Okay. Now, the one really weird thing about the gun. It only shoots on the x-axis, so left and right. And let's try it out, see if my remapping software, so it's actually mapped to the keyboard normally on the Commodore, but I remapped it on my gamepad so it'd be easier to use. Now, they will respawn fairly quickly, so there's no point in going around and killing all of them, but like right now, it's almost impossible for me to get that last ring, so I mean, I got like a machine gun basically. Yeah, so whenever possible, just avoid them, but if they're all bunched up and making your life hard, then ooh, that was a little bit close. I have 96 bullets, so it's no real big deal. By the time you actually get the gun, you've got like ammo for days. The other thing to notice is that the enemies respawn, I think, where they originally spawned. So if I kill the spider right where it spawns, it's just going to come right back. Oops. So you do want to be careful about where it's going to respawn on you. Oop. Oh, jeez. Okay, I died. I did not mean to actually go down. I meant to go right, so that was annoying. Oh, and there's no way to the other side of the maze from within here. Do not like this. Oh, I can't walk and shoot, so that's another thing to keep in mind. Let's see. That'll be our test case. Does that spider come back exactly where he came from in the first place? Doesn't look like he did come back in the same place, so there must just be a scattering of spawn points around the map. Alright, and I have to go back for that key, of course. Yeah, whenever you can just take care of it without the gun, it's better. Oh, here comes my Devon. Sounds like the Three Stooges. Which, incidentally, is a game I need to play one of these days. Alright. At some level, the enemies start blinking in and out of existence, and for some reason I think it's this level, but I might be wrong. So keep an eye on those green flying dudes. It might not be this level. It might be after the... Oop, 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 oop. My Devon loves to make noise. He's literally just going and like running around the house at full speed. Normally you'd think there'd be something wrong with the cat when they do that, but not him. He just likes to do that. Poom poom. I have 126 bullets. Oh, jeez. You can kind of do a shuffle, walk, shoot. Why is there a blue piece of wall over there. Boom. Ooh. Alright, go grab that key. Got 2 skulls to deal with up in here. And just shoot them. Yeah, so the gun definitely changes things quite a bit. Right when the levels are actually getting hard, you can just start rapid firing everybody. Okay. But like, the game's not over, so this is level 1 again. So what's different? Is this where they start turning invisible? Of course, this is making me think of all the other Egyptian-themed treasure hunting games now. Pharaoh's Curse, Mummy's Tomb. Seems like everybody was doing it. Boom. Boom. It's level 1, but I have a gun. So let's go then. Boom. If I get through 2 entire playthroughs, I'll just be done because this is not that exciting, I don't think. Whoa. Boom. So I like the fact that I basically just shoot like a beam of light, like you're dead. It's not a gun, it's a wand. And why are the doors different colors? There we go. They're turning invisible. Yeah. So sometimes you just have to like shoot randomly and like just kind of like, yeah, like I don't know where, yeah, I didn't know where that guy was. So if you have any suspicion he's coming your way, you just start shooting the air. Like here. Oh, oh jeez. Like that. Sneak. Didn't know if he was coming at me or not, so I wasted a couple bullets, but I have almost 200 bullets at this point, so still really haven't quite hit a challenge. On a really random note, my copy of the Apple II Diamond Mine game by, was it Rockland? Oh, I forget. The really good Diamond Mine game I like. A copy of that has Lady Tut on it, so this must have been at least for the Apple II as well. Huh. A lot of enemies in my way here. Alright, this will do. Alright, where's the other key? Oh, it's not very far. Yeah, so the becoming invisible is a little bit of a bother, but one of my problems is I have so many games I want to play, and then sometimes I just like randomly forget. So I sit down and I'm like, what game was I going to play next? I have a very busy brain. I don't think there's any monsters near me. One thing is I think of like random trivia. Don't know where that skull ended up. Okay, he's down there. So like I played Pitfall 2 as a kid, but it was on the Commodore 64. I found out recently that Pitfall 2, the Atari 2600 version of it was like legendary because they actually added a chip to the cartridge which allowed for way better music than any other Atari game had. And I find that fascinating. And it's hard because the Commodore 64 can make that music no problem. It had the SID chip, which was excellent. But there's a part of me that wants to go play the Atari version just because of the historical value of this like Atari game that had crazy good sound. Imagine they added some RAM to it as well, because it's a pretty hefty game in terms of how much there is to explore. Just realized I got a straight shot down here as long as these skulls don't sneak up on me. Finding myself wondering if the maze layout's actually changed. I know the level 6 was the same as level 1, but yeah, okay, they have definitely changed layouts. I remember this is a really dangerous one with the invisible monsters, because you just don't know where they are. Oh, skull spawned on top of me. Okay. I think the first time I beat this, I just sat there rapid firing constantly because... Holy mackerel. Okay. I got 3 monsters to kill in a tight corridor. Like this. I literally have no way to know if they're coming at me or not. Alright, we got that one. Yep, that one was coming my way. Yeah, and I'm out of lives too, so this might be where I die, but... It's kind of interesting because it's just like, I don't know that it's hard. It's just cheap when you have a bunch of invisible enemies running around. Okay. Some of them are going to respawn back in that corridor, which will reduce my chances of getting killed over here. Oh, I don't like this. Oh, yes. Skulls can appear there. Oh yeah, rapid fire machine gun. Grab that key. And I guess the last key is going to show up way on the right side there. Oh yeah, let's go. Bo 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 bo, machine gun. Boom. I love how I add my own sound effects. Like, what the heck? Oh. Weird, you can't shoot in that corridor. Alright, I don't see any monsters, so I'm just going to shoot every time I come around the corner. I don't want to die now. Okay, I'm just going to make a run for it. Alright, level 9. Well, at this point I only have... Whoa! Maybe this is the end of the game. I mean, check out these graphics. It's pretty cool, yo. You qualify for the high score. Your initials? Oh wait, I always do this. Bad. Nice. Alright, and the game just ends, so... I don't know how you'd get a higher score than that other than just sitting there killing a bunch of enemies repeatedly. That'd be kind of weird. Anyway, so that's Lady Tut. And I think it'll be the next video that I'll go ahead and check out Ladybug. And I don't even know which system I'm going to start on, so we'll see. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Ooh, that was a little bit close. I have 96 bullets, so it's no real big deal. By the time you actually get the gun, you've got like ammo for days.